Hey everyone! If you dread the hassle of cleaning your bathroom, today's video is just for you. We're diving into the ultimate lazy person's guide to cleaning your bathroom sink. Some tools I'm using for this cleaning: a sponge, a microfiber cloth, a cleaning toothbrush, your cleaner of choice. I'll be using, as always, my DIY mix of water and vinegar. But any dish soap or bathroom surface cleaner will do. And always put on your gloves for any type of cleaning. Let's begin by generously applying the cleaner directly to the sink and faucet. Make sure to cover all areas, especially where you see spots and buildup. It's important to give the cleaner a few minutes to break down the grime. This will make your job way easier later on. Now take your dampened cloth and start with the faucet. Scrub around it, especially in those hard-to-reach areas where lime and soap scum tend to gather. Move on to the basin of the sink. You don't need to scrub harshly, just let the sponge or cloth do the work. The drain cover is where you might want to use a cleaning toothbrush. You can see I'm scrubbing off the black slime that's been building up there for a while. Give the entire countertop a quick wipe down. Pay extra attention to the grub lines, as they can get moldy or mildewy. I'm giving them an extra scrub, but some mildew might not come off easily. Let me know in the comment how you handle those persistent spots. Once you've given the entire sink and faucet a good scrub, rinse off the cleaner thoroughly. Take a dry cloth and wipe down the sink to give it a nice polished look. And there you have it, folks, a sparkling clean sink with minimal effort and zero stress.